So, you've got your Shopify store up and running, right? But what's that one thing, that secret ingredient that's going to take you to the next level? It's social proof. And today, we are going to cut through all the noise and help you pick the perfect Shopify review app for your business.
And look, why should you even care? Well, how about this number? 270%. According to the Spiegel Research Center, just showing customer reviews can boost your conversions by up to 270%. I mean, that's not just a nice little bump. That is an absolute game changer.
Okay, but here's the catch, right? You go to the Shopify App Store, you type in reviews, and bam, you're staring at over 300 different apps. It's totally overwhelming. We're talking instant choice paralysis.
So here's our game plan. We'll quickly touch on why this is so crucial, give you a simple 4-factor framework to make your choice, show you the top apps for your specific kind of store, point out 3 mistakes you definitely want to avoid, and then give you our final clear-cut verdict.
All right, let's dive right in. We put together a super simple 4-factor framework that's going to help you make a really smart choice, no matter what app you're looking at.
First up, review collection and automation. I mean, can you imagine manually emailing every single customer asking for a review? No way. That is just not going to work as you grow. The best apps, they put this whole thing on autopilot. They're sending out review requests for you on email or SMS, creating this awesome, steady stream of fresh, social proof without you lifting a finger. Okay, number 2 is a big one, display and customization. Seriously, looks matter a lot. If you've got this clunky, ugly widget that looks totally out of place, it can actually break trust with your customers. You absolutely need an app that lets you tweak everything, the fonts, the colors, the layout, so your reviews feel like they belong on your site. This is especially true when you start getting into those amazing photo and video reviews.
Factor 3, SEO. And trust me, this one is huge. The right app is going to help you get what are called rich snippets. You know what I'm talking about? Those little gold star ratings that pop up right there in the Google search results. When you have those, your store's link it jumps off the page. It massively increases the odds that someone's going to click on your link instead of your competitors.
And finally, our 4th factor, import and integration. Now, if you're a dropshipper, listen up, because this is critical. You need the ability to pull in reviews that already exist on places like AliExpress. It's a total game changer for building that instant trust right from day one. And beyond that, you want an app that plays nicely with all your other tools, like your email platform, so everything works together. Okay, framework down. Now for the fun part. Let's look at our curated picks for the top apps out there.
Let's kick things off with a scenario I know a lot of you are in. You're just starting out, you're bootstrapping, and every single dollar counts. You need something powerful, but you need it for free.
In the free-to-play arena, the 2 heavyweights are Judge Me and Air Product Reviews. Now, Judge Me is kind of famous for having this incredibly generous free plan that's just packed with features other apps would charge you for. But Air Reviews, they do something almost unheard of for a free app: 24/7 live chat support. So if you look at the breakdown, you'll see both of them give you unlimited reviews and those SEO-boosting rich snippets for free. But honestly, Judge Me, with over 37,000 of its own reviews, has become the top dog for a reason. Its free feature set is it's unmatched.
All right, next up, if you're selling anything visual, think fashion, beauty products, home decor, a simple 5-star text review just isn't going to cut it. Your shoppers need to see your products in a real-world setting. That means you need an app that's built for amazing photo and video reviews.
For this, the big matchup is Loox versus Farah. Loox is, hands down, the master of creating these gorgeous, shoppable photo galleries. It literally turns your customer photos into a powerful marketing asset. Farah, on the other hand, is for the perfectionist. Its superpower is deep design customization, making sure every widget perfectly matches your brand's unique vibe.
And if you want proof, just look at the portable blender brand BlendJet. They used Loox to gather over 200,000 visual reviews. This wasn't just for looks. It helped them generate over $7.5 million in extra revenue. Now that's some serious ROI from social proof.
Okay, let's talk to the dropshippers out there. You faced a unique challenge, right? You've got a great product, but you're starting with 0 reviews. This is where importer apps become your absolute best friend for building instant credibility. Your top 2 choices here are Ryview and Ollie Reviews, and they're good at different things. Think of Ryview as casting a wide net. It's awesome because it can import reviews from AliExpress, but also from Amazon and Etsy. Ollie Reviews, though, is all about curation and quality control. It gives you these advanced tools to filter, translate, and really polish those imported reviews so they look super professional. Now, what happens as your store starts to really take off? You might run into a problem that we call app bloat. You've got one app for reviews, another for upsells, another for pop-ups, and pretty soon they're slowing your site down and costing you a fortune.
The solution comes in two very different flavors, Vitals and Yotpo. Vitals is the ultimate cleanup tool. It bundles over 40 different marketing apps into one single lightweight package. Yotpo, well, Yotpo is on a whole different level. It's a true enterprise-grade marketing ecosystem, where their powerful review app is just the starting point for their integrated SMS, loyalty, and email platforms.
Okay, so picking the right app, that's just step one. Now let's quickly cover 3 pro tips to make sure you turn those good reviews into truly great results.
Rule number 1, respond to every single review. I'm serious. Yes, even the bad ones. It shows future customers you care and builds incredible trust. 2, nail your timing. Don't ask for a review the second a package lands on their doorstep. Give them time to actually use and love the product. And 3, always monitor your page speed. Make sure your fancy new review widget isn't slowing your whole store down.
All right, we've covered a lot. So let's bring it all home and give you the final verdict. Okay, let's make this super simple. If you're on a tight budget, just go with Judge Me. Its free plan is unbeatable. If you're a visual brand, you need to invest in looks to build those beautiful sales-driving galleries. If you're dropshipping, Review is your best bet for that instant import power. If you want to slash your app costs and speed up your site, Vitals is the clear winner. And if you're ready to scale and build a massive marketing machine, your journey starts with Yotpo.
Look, your customers are sitting there ready to tell you stories that can completely transform your business. You've got the knowledge now, you know the tools. The only real question left is your store ready to listen?